Verydarkman was arrested. Verydarkman was arrested. For which reason? Okay, the reason Verydarkman arrest. The reason being say the guy na stand out for immorality. If obodo man adoro maka the guy na stand out for, go maka may arrest. That shows you that now in this nation, in this country Nigeria, all the very difficult thing with the justice. And if the may arrest, farmer na that in Bejoku due to when they involve no government, go maka medical arrest. Go maka nka contain ana no medical arrest due to immorality. Kerika nwoke geshire dina nwoke ibe and ya nwo audacity ka tie internet the person nwo audacity bupute internet dey go show wa this guy ana akpo Verydarkman as enough is enough to this nonsense ke ya mere atofu allegation boya may arrest. That shows you that now arrest him one way or the other. It involved now. You gotta go one way or the other. In a community that sin. Uplift your elephant on belly. If you go up 99. Even the go up 99. You gotta go. This guy now arrest kita no. Get the reason. Get the for community. Why am I gonna opposite and I say the guy na stand out for injustice. I stand out for immorality. Due to Nigeria government and the people modifying powers that be. That power now control the nation. Or they play their role, you become their enemy. You become their worst enemies. That will be a very big problem to this nation called Nigeria. They are aware that now from that day you will be enemy of so many people. People that like immorality. Kerika nwoke kesike dị na nwoke ibe dey proud. Bobrisky is a bad example. Bobrisky is a bad example to this nation. And due to na when ndị na ahapụ ya, when ndị na support ya indirect. Okuro maka ya dey pompous no me on this guy na about Verydarkman about say enough is enough to this nonsense. Okuro maka cook story against him may arrest. That shows you that now before this nation apart from these things or because people no government one way or the other they committed to this sin. Why they committed to this immorality? So Verydarkman should be released for the sake of everybody. Share the video.